You really want me to talk about this movie? Best of luck. Anyway, I'll try. Once upon a time, long, long ago, there lived a guy. He wanted to pursue his passion. Passion? What a bloody cliche. Anyway, he wanted to pursue theatre. He wanted to become an actor. Or actor. He wanted to become Shakespeare.
Sorry.
That's our guy. Cut to him. Hold on. Trolley? Camera?
Ayyo, low budget film. Ayyo. Let us now cut to him. What was that for?
Why did you quit your job?
You could have asked me without hitting, no? I am done. I don't want to go back there. The whole world is working from home and he wants us to go to office every day. And what am I doing there? Updating Excel sheets. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. I am tired of it. I want to pursue my passion and give my life a meaning. That's why I've decided that I'll do theatre.
Wow. Your stupidity needs a standing ovation. So in this COVID era, who's gonna come and watch Shakespeare plays in a theatre? Nobody is gonna do that. Theatre is outdated now. Wake up, loser. Why don't you do that 15-second stupid reel that everybody does? Or, oh wait, YouTube. Make vlogs or stand-up comedy. You'll at least make some money.
She has a point.
I don't want to make money. That's not what I'm doing this for. And I don't want to go on stage and say some double meaning lines. And worse, stand in front of the camera, stand in front of phone, lip sync dialogues or mono characters and do stupid stuff. I don't want to do that. That's not art. That's just fart. Theatre is about metaphor. It's about symbolisms. It's class. It's creative.
He has a point.
And what if you fail? End up with no fame, no money, no success?
Then I'll just kill myself.
Imagine. So you wanna do theatre? For sure.
Yeah,
Okay, go for it.
go for it. Like right now.
Go for it.
The world is my oyster, which I will open with my sword.
The journey of an artist from the comfort zone into the unknown. Still, no fame, no money, no success.
It's not how I imagined us.
What was his cause?
I have no idea what will I tell mother about this.
Just the applause?
It's all your fault.
Just the applause.
Like this insubstantial pageant faded, leave not a wreck behind. We are such stuff as our dreams are made on, and our little life is rounded with a sleep. Thank you very much.
So boring.
Too, we could have gone to that stand-up comedy show, man.
No fame, no money, no success, no going back.
Wow, re, wow. What a super performance. Honest performance. Sweet performance. But what is the use? You should have shown the same honesty, sweetness and commitment in returning my money. But ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ you'll become superstar and give me double interest. But that is life. ಕೆಲವು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ನನಗೋಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು have the passion. ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಾಲಿಪಾಪ್
Hey Rahul, My son is 14 years old. He owns a YouTube channel. He makes some silly, funny videos. I'll ask him to give you a chance. He's helped so many struggling actors. Move on, man. All this theatre bazi and all, no fun in it. Who watches drama nowadays anyway? Artists are very sensitive people. But they are a little bit more sensitive than you and me, you see.
No going back.
And this guy is... Oh man, I think he's going to break down now.
No going back.
He's a little too much. Almost like hypersensitive. Ah! What has he done? He's cut himself. Ah! Oh man, he's dead. His soul is just popping out. Okay, I need to go now. By the way, that's just a fantastic knife. It'll come handy later on.
I'm dead, right? Is this heaven or hell?
Sir, you committed suicide. You don't get that privilege. You're stuck here in the limbo. Yes, in the limbo. And I am the limbo manager. It's my responsibility to push you to the next level. You go that way, sir. You know what happens in heaven? They make out like crazy with all the angels. In hell, you don't want to know. But you know what happens in the limbo?
Nothing.
All the good souls and assholes who commit suicide end up in the limbo, the in-between, at the mercy of its bald and beautiful ruler.
Sir, this is worse than my problems. Suicide was a screwed up idea. I can't just do nothing here. Please give me my life back. I'd rather go live with my problems. Please, sir.
They thought committing suicide was a good idea. Should we give him a chance?
Yeah, okay, we'll give him a chance. You're gonna get an OTP, please share.
Sir, 4364.
Okay, send me his details.
I've sent it, darling.
I have the results. As the judge of the limbo, I have some good news. I can send you back to life. Because you, my friend, all your life have been nice, kind and pathetic. Empathic. Life is all about empathy. But let me ask you one thing. Once you go back, get lucky, get some success, can you remain untainted? Because, my friend, you have only one chance.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's all because of you. Today I've reached the stage. I've become so famous. It's all because of you. Yeah. And every single show that you've come, this is my 100th show, ladies and gentlemen. And it's all because of you again. Every different show is a different story. And this is one of them. I hope to see you soon in my 101st show. Have a nice evening. See you soon.
Hey, I knew you'll make it. I'm so proud of you.
Really? Are you saying that to me now because I'm famous? Because I remember you calling me a loser, calling me outdated. By the way, you put on a lot of weight. Maybe you should go on a diet. I'll see you.
This soul just became an ass soul. What is going to happen next?
He's the director, right? Are you telling me he doesn't have a script yet?
Why would anyone even want to invest in this film, huh? I agree there are a few cliche elements, but it's a totally different concept. Very risky.
I heard. It is a dal khichdi, chitrana of fantasy, reality, no star, no skin show, no action, no punch dialogue, and the cast and the crew, zero experience, but I will watch. But Lollipop, he will tear the screen.
Exactly who the hell will watch this movie? Huh? And, gentlemen, it's such a waste of time.